Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer. This drawer is located at the bottom of the refrigerator section. It's used for storing fruits and vegetables. The main reason for the vegetable drawer to be replaced is if it cracks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. To remove the old vegetable drawer, all we need to do is just pull it straight out and then lift up, and then we can take it out completely. This is the old vegetable drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we can bring a new vegetable drawer, place it on rails here underneath of the shelf, and slide it in. Now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.